Team 16277 Tekon, and we are going to be talking about how to decode the FTC game and how to develop proper strategies for your team. I'm Sai.
And I'm Aditya.
So these are the things we're going to be talking about today. So we're going to be talking about some key points to consider when decoding and strategizing, how to decode the game properly, and how to craft the best strategies for your team and to make the best efficient strategy. And we'll also be talking about why decoding and strategizing matter. So, some of the key points to focus on when you're decoding and strategizing are you need to know and remember all of the task point values and order your tasks from highest impact and to lowest impact. And you need to do this so you can build your robot based on what is best for your team. Use resources like different Tekon talks and FTC Q&A and firstinspires.org to refine your plan. You also need to be able to adjust your robot's code to fit your alliance's strategy at any meets and be flexible. How to craft the winning strategy. You need to order your tasks from highest priority to lowest priority and make sure you know what your team's strengths are. And also try to aim to meet award criteria for the league meets. And you also need to be able to practice all the time so you can avoid any collisions or any challenges you may even potentially have at the meets.
Decoding the FTC game. So decoding the FTC game is very important. And to decode the FTC game, you need to stay updated on rule clarifications. And because at competitions, the first might catch some things that they want to clarify. So you need to always be updated on rule clarifications. Also, at the competitions, you need to look at other teams and see what they're doing because some of their strategies may be successful, and you may want to find out the most effective approach, and you can look at theirs to get inspiration. Also, to decode the FTC game, you need to understand all game rules, restrictions, and you need to know all the ways you can score because you want to get maximum points, and to get maximum points, you need to know all of this. To get all this information, you can go to official FTC websites like First Inspires, and you can go to manuals like the competition manual or the game manual for that year. And then also, as I said before, at competitions, you should always study other teams because their strategies might be very efficient and you could use them. Why decoding and strategizing matter? So decoding and strategizing are very important because at the competition, it'll improve your efficiency and adaptability because in decoding and strategizing, you'll create multiple strategies, meaning that if your alliance wants to do one thing, you can do the other thing. Also, it means you can do things efficiently and score the most points. As I said, it maximizes points and boosts competitive performance, meaning that with a clear strategy, you are more likely to win the competition. Also, it builds a solid understanding of the game rules because you'll be reading lots of stuff like the competition manual, lots of rules, so you know how the match works, and you know all the things you need to be aware of, which is very good. And also, it's very good because it'll reduce penalties since you already know all the rules. Conclusion. So, the decoding and strategizing are very important things, and to decode and strategize, you should use resources like Tekon Talks, First Inspires, and competition manuals, and always stay updated on the rules. You should always focus on maximizing points, and you should always focus on efficiency and consistency. You should always be flexible, and your strategies should always be able to adapt to alliances. You should have multiple strategies, so you and your alliance can pick one that'll score the most points. Learn from other teams and see their strategies to boost your performance, and then prepare for challenges and aim to minimize penalties because that is always something that you want to do. And then we are Team Tekon 16277. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.